In this video, I will show you how to download and install K-Lite Codec pack on your Windows computer or laptop. So to do this, you have to go to your browser, then search K-Lite Codec pack. Now go to the official website, which is codecguide.com. Just click on download K-Lite Codec pack. Here you will find the standard, full and mega version. Choose the version you want to download. I will go for standard version. Just click on download standard. Now click on server 1 to download the codec pack. You see the codec pack is downloaded. Just click on the file. A pop-up will come in front of you. Just click on yes. Now a setup wizard will appear in front of you. Just go for normal mode, or you can choose advanced option. Just click next, and finally install button will appear in front of you. Just click install. Now you see the installation process is complete. By following this easy process, you can easily install K-Lite Codec pack on your Windows computer or laptop.